Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see file management commands in Linux. Let's start. First command is touch. The touch command is used to create an empty file. Let's see in the terminal. We are going to create a empty file using the touch command. The file name is my file.txt. We can verify the file is created or not with the help of ls command. Yes, my file is created. Then next command is cat. The cat command is used to view the content of file. Let's see in the terminal. If you want to check the content of file, then use cat command. Cat file11.txt. This is the content of file 111. Then next command is nano and vi. Both commands are used to edit file, but in this video we are going to use vi command. Let's see in the terminal. If you want to edit file, then use vi command. txt. Enter I, then root. I am not root. And press esc (wq) exclamatory mark for save these changes. With the help of less command, we are going to check these changes are done or not. Yes, these changes are done. Then next command is cp command. The cp command copies files from one location to another location, but when copying directories you need to -r. Let's see in the terminal. If you want to copy my file to another directory, then demo1. Let's check in the demo1. Yes, this is done. The next command is mu command. The mu command is used to move or rename files. Let's see in the terminal. If you want to change name of file, is with the help of mu command. File name is my file.txt. to new name is my file.txt. We can verify with the help of ls command. Yes. The next command is rm command. The rm command delete the files permanently. Let's see in the terminal. If you want to delete file, then use rm and file name my file.txt. We can verify with the help of ls command. There is no file, means file is deleted. That's it. Thank you.